Today I am going to share with you a skin brightening face pack. This pack is suitable for all skin types. Take 1 spoon of sandalwood powder, that is chandan powder. 1 spoon of licorice powder. We also call this as muleti powder. Mix them well. This both sandalwood powder and licorice powder helps in skin brightening. Now take 1 spoon of lemon juice and 1 spoon of rose water and mix this well so that it converts into a paste. Lemon juice has citric acid, which we call vitamin C, which is very good for our skin. It also helps in skin brightening. Rose water provides hydration to our skin, which helps make our skin supple. You can apply this paste twice a week to get a clear skin. This face pack is very beneficial in reducing fine lines and wrinkles and skin rejuvenation. It also tightens and firms the skin. Muleti or licorice is great powerhouse of minerals and antioxidants that can help and treat skin of many problems. Let me apply this pack on my hand to show you the results. Take a small amount and massage it on your skin. Massage it for 1 to 2 minutes, then leave it to dry for 15 minutes. After it dries, wash the face pack. Now you can see the glow on the skin. Use regularly to get a healthy and glowing skin. For more such beauty secrets, subscribe my channel.